Good evening. I am Dr. Krishnaja, obstetrician and gynecologist working at Hariom Specialty Healthcare Center, Tirupati. This is a center where the facilities provided here are OP consultation and daycare procedures. This is a daycare center where all the daycare procedures are done here, like endometrial biopsies, cervical biopsies, DNCs, copper T insertion, pap smear removal, etc. The other facilities which we provide here is like complete perinatal care. Yes, I repeat it, complete perinatal care, which includes preconceptional counseling, preconceptional advice, preconceptionally women who require some investigations and treatment will be provided that facility. And then antenatal care. Antenatal care is your complete 9 months. Your pregnancy will be so scrutinized by us. And postnatal care. Postnatal care is like lactational advices, yoga, and how to deal with postpartum blues, etc. will be supporting you regarding that. Next is vaginal deliveries, all kind of vaginal deliveries, difficult vaginal deliveries, cesarean sections, family planning surgeries, both open and laparoscopic method will be provided, can be done here. And all kind of family planning counseling and family planning methods will be suggested here. Both permanent and temporary methods will be suggested as per the requirement of the client. Other facilities which we provide here is like complete what we call menstrual disorder, menstrual problems will be dealt here at any particular age, like menstrual problems for a young pubertal woman, pubertal girl, and menstrual problem during the adult period, and any menstrual problems postmenopausally after attaining menopause will be dealt here. Conditions like fibroid uterus, ovarian cysts, ectopic pregnancies, endometriomas, early endometrial and early cervical cancers will be surgically treated here. Other facilities we have here are cancer screening center. Yeah, we do a cancer screening for cervical cancers with pap smear and conventional liquid-based cytology, and also screening ultrasound for screening ovarian cancers, breast cancer screening with mammography, etc. Next is we have an adolescent clinic where we advise the adolescents, like young girls who are very new to the menstrual cycle. We help them out with educating how to deal with the menstrual cycles, how to have their personal hygiene during the cycles, and suppose if they have any bleeding problems, we help them out with their treatment also. And then vaccination, adolescent vaccination center. Yeah, we do have a wonderful vaccines for preventing cervical cancers. We have 2 vaccines, one is Cervarix and the other one is a Gardasil, and so both these vaccines are available here. Next is we have a menopausal clinic. The women who are suffering with menopausal symptoms, who are having a decreased quality of life due to menopausal symptoms, we will be helping them out here. Next is we also have infertility workup center, where the basic infertility workup for both the partners, wife and husband, will be done here, and treatment facilities will be curtailed only up till intrauterine inseminations. Next, we also have an complete emergency care. Any woman who is in who is having any emergency anytime can be reached us with a number at a particular phone number, and they can contact us at any time, 24/7. And I would like to take the privilege to put forward you that this center is striving to work forward with for practicing modern obstetrics with a human touch. People who are interested, who are in need of us, can contact us at the scrolled numbers given below. Thank you.